Eating one burger per day for 3 months, either as a lettuce wrap or just the ground beef patty, can have various effects on your body and brain. Within the first few days, you may notice better recovery and rejuvenation. This is due to the presence of antioxidants and their precursors in beef, such as vitamin E, vitamin A, superoxide dismutase, and glutathione. These help scavenge free radicals that result from stress and glucose oxidation, improving your overall energy, complexion, sleep, and mood. After 7 to 10 days, you might start metabolizing fats better, leading to a reduction in waist size and overall body fat. This is attributed to the presence of conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, in beef, which has been shown to decrease body weight, total fat mass, body fat percentage, and waist-to-hip ratio. CLA may also increase lean body mass by influencing gene expression and the creation of uncoupling proteins and carnitine palmitoyltransferase 1. Beef also contains creatine, which acts as a nootropic, improving brain function, attention, and quick-wittedness. You may notice these effects after about 2 weeks of consuming a burger per day. Protein in beef can help with weight loss and weight maintenance. Studies have shown that higher protein intake during a maintenance phase after weight loss can lead to 50% less weight regain, with the regained weight being primarily lean body mass. Digestive improvements may be noticed after about 10 days, as CLA and protein play a role in digestion. Replacing refined starches and inflammatory foods with a clean, grass-fed, grass-finished beef burger can contribute to these improvements. Improved energy levels can be experienced within days due to the high content of heme iron in beef. Heme iron is more bioavailable than non-heme iron found in plants and helps carry oxygen to cells via red blood cells. Beef consumption can also increase the absorption of non-heme iron from other food sources by up to 4 times. After about 2 weeks, you may notice an improved ability to withstand anaerobic workouts due to the presence of beta-alanine in beef. Beta-alanine helps buffer hydrogen and lactate, reducing the burning sensation during exercise. It also increases the body's antioxidant capacity. To maximize the benefits of consuming a burger per day, consider using healthier condiments like Primal Kitchen ketchup, macadamia nut oil, olive oil, avocado, caramelized onions, goat cheese, feta, Kalamata olives, rosemary, or sage. These additions can provide beneficial fatty acids, prebiotic fibers, and flavors to elevate your burger experience.